Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an invoice in PayPal personal account. This can be really useful if you want to request payment professionally, whether you're charging someone for a service, selling a product, doing freelance work, or simply keeping a clear record of what someone owes you. If you need to send a simple invoice through your PayPal personal account, this process is pretty quick once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. The good thing about using an invoice is that it looks more organized than just sending a basic payment request. And it also gives the customer a clear breakdown of the amount, items, and payment details. To begin, log into your PayPal account and go to the main dashboard. From there, look for the Send and Request section and click on it. This area is where PayPal groups together different ways to send money, request payments, and access related tools. So instead of only using this section to send money to friends or request a quick payment, you can also use it to access more professional payment options like invoicing. Once you're inside, navigate to the More tab. This is where PayPal keeps additional features that may not appear right away on the first screen. If this is your first time using invoices in a personal account, you should see an option for invoicing. Go ahead and click Get Started on the Invoice feature. This will open up the invoicing tool and prepare your account to create and send invoices. If you do not see the exact same layout, don't worry, because PayPal sometimes changes the design depending on your country, device, or account type, but the invoicing option is usually found somewhere inside the Send and Request area or under More Tools. After that, look to the top right corner and click Create New. This starts a brand new invoice. At this stage, PayPal will open a form where you can fill in all the necessary information for your invoice. Think of this form as the main document your customer will receive, so it is important to fill it out clearly and carefully. Now, enter the invoice details carefully. Add the customer information, then fill in the items or services you're billing for. Make sure each item is clearly described so the customer understands exactly what they are paying for. For example, instead of writing something very general like service fee, you can write website design service, logo design, consultation session, product order, or monthly support. Clear descriptions make your invoice look more professional and help avoid questions later. You'll also want to enter the cost for each item. And if needed, you can include notes to provide extra context such as delivery details, service dates, or payment instructions. Taking a moment to review everything here is important because clear and accurate invoices help avoid delays or misunderstandings. You can also use the Notes section to add a short thank you message, mention when the payment is expected, or include any important details the customer should know before paying. When everything looks correct, you'll have a few options. You can click Send if you're ready to deliver the invoice immediately. You can choose Share if you want to send it another way, depending on the options available in your account. Or, if you're not ready yet, you can save it as a draft and come back to it later. That's useful if you still need to confirm pricing or adjust the details before sending it out. Before sending, it is always a good idea to quickly check the customer name, email address, item details, total amount, and any notes you added. Because once the invoice is sent, the customer will be able to view it and make the payment from their side. And that's it. Once you complete that final step, your invoice is created in PayPal. It's a straightforward process, and after doing it once, it becomes much easier the next time. Using invoices can also help you stay more organized, especially if you receive payments often, because you can keep track of what was sent, what was paid, and what still needs attention.